In order to be successful in this class, you'll need to write, compile, and run Java programs. In order to do this, we will need the tools or the software to compile our programs. You're going to use the JDK or Java Development Kit. This is free for download, so just search for and download JDK. It'll take you to the Oracle web page. You'll just go to this web page and choose your operating system. Notice that we're downloading the Java SE or Standard Edition. Right now we're up to version 8, but just download whatever version comes up. You'll choose Linux if you have a Linux machine, of course Mac if you have a Mac, but to tell you the truth, Macs already have a JDK pre-installed on them, so you don't really need this if you have a Mac. And of course, if you have a Windows machine, choose one of these versions. Remember that if you have a 64-bit machine, you'll choose the x64, and if you have a 32-bit machine, you'll choose the x86. Accept the license agreement, and then download this executable. Now when you run this executable, you're not going to see a program that you can click on and run. You're downloading a development kit, which is something like a big box of tools that you'll use to run your programs. And so you'll also need to download the IDE or Integrated Development Environment. The Integrated Development Environment or IDE that we'll use in this class is Eclipse. Eclipse is free and it's an industry standard IDE. So go ahead and type into Google, download Eclipse, or just go straight using the link I gave you to eclipse.org. It'll take you to the Eclipse webpage where there'll be a big button to download the latest version of Eclipse. The Eclipse webpage is pretty smart and it recognizes your operating system and will give you the correct version for your machine. Go ahead and click on this button and download your version of Eclipse and install it. Now when you install Eclipse, it pretty much just unpacks everything that Eclipse needs to run, and it will not pop up into all programs. So you'll need to unpack it and then right click on the executable and choose to make a shortcut. Put this shortcut on your desktop. Once you get the needed software that you'll use in this class installed on your computer, go ahead and watch the Hello World video and write your first program.